What's up, hunters and outdoor enthusiasts? Are you tired of watching hunting knife videos where every single recommendation costs more than your monthly grocery bill? Do you feel like you need to take out a second mortgage just to get a decent hunting knife? Well, my friends, I've got incredible news for you. Today, we're diving deep into the world of budget hunting knives that actually work. And I'm talking about legitimate, high-quality blades that won't empty your wallet, but will absolutely get the job done in the field. Here's the truth that the big knife companies don't want you to know. You don't need to spend a fortune to get a knife that can handle field dressing deer, processing elk, skinning game, and performing all those essential hunting tasks. I've personally researched hundreds of hunting knives, analyzed thousands of real user reviews from actual hunters in the field, and compiled the absolute best budget options that deliver premium performance without the premium price tag. Whether you're a seasoned hunter looking for a reliable backup knife, a beginner just getting into hunting and need to build your kit on a budget, or someone who simply appreciates getting incredible value for your money, this video is going to change the game for you. These aren't cheap knockoffs or gas station specials. These are legitimate hunting knives from respected manufacturers that hunters trust season after season. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll have found your perfect hunting companion that fits your budget. Let's jump right in. Number 8. MORAKNIV Companion Heavy Duty. Kicking off our countdown at number 8, we have a knife that has become an absolute legend in the outdoor and hunting community, the MORAKNIV Companion Heavy Duty. The Companion Heavy Duty represents everything this company has learned about creating affordable, reliable knives that perform way above their budget-friendly price point. The MORAKNIV Companion Heavy Duty features a 4.1-inch blade made from high-carbon steel that is designed specifically for heavy-duty outdoor and hunting tasks. This isn't some thin, flimsy blade. We're talking about a blade that's 0.125 inches thick, giving you serious cutting power and durability. The blade uses a Schrade grind, which is a traditional Scandinavian blade grind that has been used by hunters, trappers, and outdoorsmen in Northern Europe for generations. The Schrade grind is absolutely perfect for hunting applications because it provides incredible control when you're doing detailed work like skinning or caping, and it's also extremely easy to sharpen in the field with minimal equipment. The handle of this knife is made from high-friction rubber that provides excellent grip even when your hands are wet, cold, or covered in blood from field dressing. The ergonomic design fits naturally in your hand and reduces fatigue during extended cutting sessions. This is critically important for hunters who might be out in camp for extended periods or on multi-day hunts where you need to maintain your edge without access to your full sharpening setup at home. Hunters who use the Companion Heavy Duty in real-world field conditions consistently report that this knife punches way above its weight class in terms of performance. The blade is tough enough to handle some light battening if you need a split kindling, though that's not really its primary purpose. What it excels at is precision cutting tasks. That Schrade grind and sharp edge makes skinning and meat processing absolutely effortless. Number 7. Old Timer Sharpfinger. This knife has been around since the 1960s and has built an absolutely legendary reputation among hunters, trappers, and outdoorsmen who appreciate traditional design combined with proven performance. The Sharpfinger represents old-school American knife making at its finest. With a no-nonsense design that focuses purely on getting the job done, IT features a 3.3-inch drop-point blade made from 7CR 17 MOV high-carbon stainless steel. Now, this isn't the most exotic steel you'll ever encounter, but it's perfectly suited for hunting applications. The steel takes a good edge, holds that edge reasonably well through normal hunting tasks, and offers decent corrosion resistance, so you don't have to baby it in wet conditions or worry constantly about rust. The blade thickness is substantial enough to provide good strength without being so thick that it wedges when you're making precision cuts through hide and meat. The drop-point blade has a distinctive upswept cutting edge that gives you a larger belly for slicing and skinning work. This blade profile is absolutely perfect for the detailed work that hunting demands. Whether you're caping out a trophy buck for a shoulder mount, carefully skinning a deer to avoid hair contamination on the meat, or processing small game, the Sharpfinger's blade geometry gives you exceptional control and cutting performance. The point is sharp enough for precision piercing work, but not so fine that it's fragile, striking that perfect balance for field dressing tasks. The handle design is a simple oval shape without finger grooves or aggressive texturing, which actually makes it very versatile because you can grip it in multiple positions depending on the cutting task at hand. For budget-conscious hunters who want a proven, traditional hunting knife with decades of field validation, the Old Timer Sharpfinger delivers exceptional value and represents a piece of American hunting heritage. Number 6. SOG Seal Pup Elite. SOG Specialty Knives has a long history of producing knives for military special operations forces, and the Seal Pup Elite represents their dedication to creating compact, high-performance fixed blade knives that excel in demanding conditions. While this knife was originally designed for tactical and military use, it has found an absolutely devoted following among hunters who appreciate its versatility, durability, and exceptional cutting performance. The SOG Seal Pup Elite features a 4.85-inch clip-point blade made from AUS-8 stainless steel. AUS-8 is a Japanese steel that's become very popular in mid-range knives because it offers an excellent balance of performance characteristics at a reasonable price point. The steel takes a very sharp edge, holds that edge well through extended cutting tasks, and provides good corrosion resistance, so you can use it in wet hunting conditions without worrying constantly about rust. The blade has a satin finish that looks professional and clean, while also making the blade easier to maintain and clean after field use. The clip-point blade provides a sharp, fine point that's perfect for the precision piercing work required during field dressing. You can make that initial incision with confidence, work around organs carefully, and perform all those detailed cutting tasks that are so critical when processing game. The blade has a nice belly for skinning work, and the overall blade length of just under 5 inches gives you enough reach to work efficiently on deer-sized game while maintaining excellent control for detailed work. The blade thickness is substantial at about 0.19 inches, providing real strength and durability for hard-use applications. This knife brings tactical toughness to hunting applications and delivers performance that rivals knives costing significantly more. It is a smart investment for budget-conscious hunters who refuse to compromise on quality. Number 5. Outdoor Edge RAZORLITE. This knife represents a completely different approach to hunting knives, and it has created an absolutely devoted following among hunters who have discovered the incredible advantages of the replaceable blade system. The RAZORLITE challenges traditional hunting knife design and offers solutions to some of the biggest frustrations hunters face with conventional fixed blade knives. The Outdoor Edge RAZORLITE features a unique design that uses replaceable razor blades rather than a traditional fixed blade. The knife accepts standard 3.5-inch replaceable razor blades that slide into the handle and lock securely in place. This system gives you several major advantages that traditional knives simply cannot match. First, you always have a literally surgical sharp blade at your fingertips. When your edge starts to dull, you don't need to stop and sharpen. You simply swap in a fresh blade and you're back to cutting with a scalpel sharp edge in seconds. Second, you can carry multiple spare blades in the handle storage compartment, meaning you have backup blades immediately available without carrying additional equipment. The handle of the RAZORLITE is made from rubberized TPR material that's molded directly over the stainless steel frame. The handle provides excellent grip even in wet, bloody conditions, and the ergonomic design fits comfortably in your hand during extended use. The blades are plenty strong for these slicing and cutting tasks. However, it's worth noting that this isn't a knife you'd want to use for heavy-duty tasks like battening wood, prying, or torquing on joints. That IT is a specialized tool optimized for the specific cutting tasks involved in processing game, and for those applications, it excels. The replaceable blades are readily available and very affordable, so the ongoing cost of keeping fresh blades on hand is minimal. The Outdoor Edge RAZORLITE offers a unique and highly effective approach that delivers smooth cutting. Number 4. Buck 119 Special. This knife has been in continuous production since 1963 and has become one of the most recognized and trusted hunting knives in American history. The Buck 119 Special isn't just a knife. It's a piece of hunting heritage that has been carried by generations of hunters and has proven itself in the field millions of times over more than 60 years of production. When people think of classic American hunting knives, the Buck 119 is one of the first knives that comes to mind. The Buck 119 Special features a 6-inch clip-point blade made from Buck's proprietary 420HC high-carbon stainless steel. Buck has perfected their heat treatment process for 420HC steel over decades of knife making, and their version of this steel performs significantly better than generic 420HC you might find on cheaper knives. The blade takes an excellent edge, holds that edge well through normal hunting tasks, and offers good corrosion resistance, so you can use it in varied weather conditions without constant maintenance. The blade has a polished finish that looks beautiful and professional, while also providing corrosion protection and making the blade easier to clean after field use. What makes the Buck 119 Special such an outstanding hunting knife is the classic clip-point blade design that has been refined and perfected over 6 decades of production. The clip point provides a sharp, fine point that's perfect for the precision piercing work required during field dressing, making the initial incision, working around organs, and performing detailed cutting tasks. The blade thickness is substantial at about 0.19 inches, providing excellent strength and durability without being so thick that it wedges during cutting a knife that can be passed down through generations. The Buck 119 Special delivers exceptional value and represents a genuine piece of hunting history that will serve you faithfully for a lifetime. Number 3. Ontario Rat 3. The Ontario RAT3 features a 3.5-inch drop point blade made from 1095 high carbon steel. This steel choice is deliberate and perfect for a hard-use hunting and survival knife. The 1095 steel is known for its exceptional toughness, excellent edge-holding ability, and ease of sharpening in field conditions. The blade takes an absolutely wicked sharp edge and maintains that edge well through extended use processing game. The steel is not stainless, which means it requires some basic maintenance to prevent rust, but this trade-off gives you a blade that's incredibly tough and can handle impacts and stress that would chip or break more brittle stainless steels. The blade features a flat grind that provides excellent cutting performance while maintaining substantial steel behind the edge for strength. The 3.5-inch blade length is absolutely perfect for field dressing and game processing. It's long enough to make efficient cuts when skinning and working on deer-sized game, but compact enough to provide excellent control for detailed work. The drop point blade shape provides a versatile profile with a good belly for slicing and a strong point for piercing work during field dressing. The blade thickness is a robust 0.125 inches, giving you a knife that's seriously strong and can handle not just game processing, but also general camp tasks like preparing kindling or processing wood for your fire. The handle of the RAT3 is made from natural canvas micarta, which is one of the absolute best handle materials available for hard-use knives. Micarta is a composite material made from layers of canvas or linen that are impregnated with resin and compressed under high pressure. The handle features a slight palm swell and well-designed contours that provide secure grip without creating hot spots during extended use. The RAT3 proves definitively that you can get premium American-made quality in a hunting knife without breaking your budget. Number 2. Schrade SC 36 Frontier. The SC 36 Frontier is part of Schrade's extreme survival line, and it brings serious heavy-duty capability at a price point that's remarkably accessible. The Schrade SC 36 Frontier features a massive 6.4-inch drop point blade made from 8CR13 MOV high-carbon stainless steel. This Chinese-made steel has become increasingly popular in budget knives because it offers a good balance of performance characteristics at a very affordable price point. The steel takes a decent edge, holds that edge reasonably well through normal hunting use, and provides good corrosion resistance for carbon steel. The blade is coated with a black powder coat finish that provides additional corrosion protection and reduces glare. The blade thickness is a substantial 0.19 inches, giving you a knife with serious heft and cutting power that can handle not just game processing, but also camp tasks like battening wood for your fire. This is a full-size, fixed-blade hunting and survival knife that doesn't feel like a budget product when you hold it. The knife has real weight and substance to it, weighing in at just under a pound including the sheath. The blade length is perfect for processing medium to large game. You have enough reach to make efficient cuts when skinning and quartering, and the blade has enough belly for good slicing performance. The drop point design provides a versatile blade shape that works well for field dressing, skinning, meat processing, and general outdoor tasks. The handle of the SC 36 Frontier is made from textured TP rubber that's overmolded onto the full tang frame. The handle provides excellent grip with deep checkering that maintains traction even when wet or bloody. The size and weight of the knife provide good momentum for skinning cuts, and the blade is thick enough that you can use it for some light chopping or splitting tasks around camp. When needed, IT gets serious capability and reliability in a hunting knife. Number 1. Buck 110 Folding Hunter. The Buck 110 Folding Hunter was introduced in 1963 and revolutionized the folding knife market by bringing a large, lockback folding knife to hunters at an affordable price. The knife features a 3.75-inch clip point blade made from Buck's proprietary 420HC high-carbon stainless steel with their Paul Boss heat treatment. This heat treatment process is absolutely critical and is what makes Buck's 420HC perform significantly better than generic versions of the same steel. The blade takes an incredibly sharp edge, holds that edge exceptionally well through extended hunting use, and offers excellent corrosion resistance. The blade has a mirror-polished finish that looks beautiful, makes cleaning easy, and provides corrosion protection. The clip point blade design on the Buck 110 is absolutely perfect for hunting applications. The fine, sharp point is ideal for precision piercing work during field dressing, making the initial incision, working around organs, and performing detailed cutting tasks. The blade has a nice belly for skinning and general cutting, and the overall blade geometry is optimized for slicing performance. The blade thickness provides good strength without being so thick that it wedges during cutting. Many hunters consider the blade size and shape of the Buck 110 to be the gold standard for hunting knives, and countless other manufacturers have created similar designs inspired by this classic knife. The handle features genuine hardwood scales and a rich walnut finish with beautiful grain patterns. The wood handles are not just beautiful, they're also highly functional, providing excellent grip and a warm, natural feel in hand. The overall length when open is about 4.875 inches, making it a large folding knife that provides a secure, comfortable grip even during extended cutting sessions. The IT is a truly world-class hunting knife that will serve you faithfully for a lifetime and beyond.